Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I had to go out and drive about an hour out of town today to get this from my nearest Apple store. Normally it's like half that, but traffic was super duper bad. If I look like a mess, it's because I am one, but I'm also sick. I've been sick all week, pretty much at the tail end of it, I thought, but it's starting to hit me again, so let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed, and then I can go take a nap. This is what we got here. Okay. Wow, professional. Oh, I'm a YouTuber. So first off, I got the blue silicone case, which will open last. It's not that exciting. And then I've got the iPhone 15 Pro Max, 256 gigs in natural titanium. Yeah, let's start by opening this thing. Arrows here. It's not the best unboxing setup I've ever had here, but probably not the worst. Normally I don't film myself when I unbox these, but I did today. There it is. You can see how excited I am. I wasn't even looking. Yeah, I've bought the new iPhone every year since like the iPhone 10, so it's kind of just for the YouTube channel that I buy them at this point. Not that I don't enjoy it, because I really do. And this is pretty nice. This is pretty slick. Yeah, look at that. That is a very nice phone. So this natural titanium and this lighting, it almost looked beige to me and stuff in the commercials or something like that. But here it's more of a silver. It's quite subtle. I really like it. I haven't had like a silver iPhone since like the 10s, which was, I don't even know if you could call that silver, but that's what they called it. I guess let's just go ahead and do this. Turn it on. I was surprised how long the lineup was at the Apple store. I mean, I've never actually gone to the Apple store to pick this stuff up before. I've always just like had it shipped to me, but the website didn't let me in until like 13 minutes after 5, which was ridiculous. And then, yeah, they didn't have any available to ship for day one. I had to go to the pickup, which I guess they have stock set aside for that. So anyway, it's fine, it works out, but you know, it's a bit of a pain to drive out there, but not too bad. This is a USB 2 cable, but it is braided. It's pretty nice. It does bug me that it's not USB 3. I feel like you're paying this much money. I've seen a lot of people saying online, well, you know, like you're already paying $1,000, so oh, you got to pay $20 more for a cable or whatever. Who cares? Yeah, but I'm paying $1,000. You know, actually, this with tax and Canadian, and it's the Pro Max, all just about $2,000, just under $2,000 with taxes. Very nice cable though. I mean, I'll give them that. I don't see why they didn't do USB 3, but in any case, it's a nice cord. Too bad it doesn't come with the brick though. I asked the guy while I was there. I asked him how many people buy the brick with it, and he said 60%. That was his estimation. He said he was like, most people do. Most people buy the brick while they're there. So yeah, Apple's making a killing off of the brick. So I got the SIM tool here because I'm in Canada, so not eSIM only, which is good by me because I still use a regular SIM card, basic paper stuff, and the single Apple sticker because they don't give you two anymore. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. Apple has pretty much gotten rid of everything except the phone at this point. One day they might stop including the cable too. So okay, there's that. Go ahead. Oh boy, that camera bump. I haven't used a Max phone since the 11 Pro Max. And I decided to switch over to it this year because I don't know, man, just for fun mainly. Oh, it's probably pretty gross and dusty because it's been in a case in my pocket. I think I'd prepare better. Oh, okay, so first off, this phone feels light, and I know it's only like 10% lighter or something like that, but it feels way lighter to me. And this is the Max too, so you would think it would feel maybe even heavier, but it doesn't. It is definitely lighter feeling. I think it's probably something to do with how the weight distribution is, but that's the difference there between the phones in size. As for camera bump, this time around, camera bump doesn't look like it got much bigger this year, to be honest. Does that look much bigger? Not really. How about thicker? Honestly, if anything, it's gotten thinner. Yeah, the phone in general looks thinner to me, I feel like. Yeah, it's definitely thinner. I'm impressed by that just because I don't remember the last time Apple made a thinner phone. Oh no. Are we having an issue with the camera? I had to swap SSDs for my Blackmagic camera there because it was overheating. Like, it was so hot. I have never felt the drive get that hot. I have had like every issue. Anything that could go wrong today has pretty much gone wrong. It's crazy. But anyways, iPhone 15 Pro, there it is, folks. 15 Pro Max, looks pretty awesome. And there she is. Very sick. Very sweet. So I'll be getting to work on an impressions and review videos for this. We'll see. I'm not sure how many videos I'm going to do on it. Early thoughts. This is a very pricey phone, but a very good phone. So buy it if you have the money and you want a big upgrade. Don't buy it if you have a 14 Pro. Don't buy it if you have a 13 Pro. I don't really think a 13 Pro owner needs to upgrade yet, unless they really want to. I would say if you're on a 12 Pro or older, maybe a good time to jump on board though. This is a pretty nice phone and there's a fair amount of upgrades you're going to get with it. So, but anyways, that's the phone. We still have the case here to unbox. Let's put on the screen protector. I've just got this Spigen. Okay, I will do this on my own time, I think. Anyway, alright, finish this off before all my stuff overheats again and dies. Silicone case, pull that up, rip that off, opens up nicely. There it is. Very nice. So I didn't go with the, well, they don't have leather this year. I've gone with leather for like the last 3 years. They don't have it, and I really like the leather cases. I'm not very happy about that one. Environment, whatever, I'm sorry. Just charge more for it. I'd probably still pay it and have some of the money go to charity or something. Like, that would be fine. But anyways, so I'm going back to the silicone case, which I think I used with my iPhone 12. It's been a while, so pull that off. See how this looks. This is, I don't want to, I will say these cases always do tend to snap for me in various spots, so you can see really right, it's probably kind of gross, but right there, right? And I think it's because I take the cases off and then put them back on so often because I film. This feels really good though. The fine woven I was not impressed with. I don't think it's that nice. Went with silicone, and I don't know, I dig it. I think that looks pretty cool, right? Looks pretty nice. Yeah. That's the iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing experience. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I will see you all very soon in the next one. Bye for now.